In today's video, we're gonna play with CartoonedMilk Murder Mystery 2, but he has fake gun and kill sounds. Well, this is gonna be fun. Oh, I just died first try. That actually scared me.
It's like the
I'll show you the murderers, by the way, which is kind of already cheaty. This is the murderer.
I'm gonna use my OP spot.
Yo.
Oh crap.
Get up there. Oh my god. That's actually them.
They're going on a kill spree.
Yep, they actually are. You know they're one... Wait.
Okay, compared to me...
There's only 2 people left.
Am I okay?
Oh, the gun's in the middle, by the way.
I'm not gonna get the gun.
Gun's in mid. Okay, well she sees...
Am I safe in the bathroom?
Yes, she sees the last player. You're last. Wait, where is the bathroom? Well, it's over there, isn't it?
Oh no.
No. It depends which one she checks. Men's.
I'm in the girls.
You should hide. Like, out of view. She didn't check the woman's. She actually... So, the gun's right there. You see that? That little pink
I can't shoot with the gun. The MM2 player.
Yeah, there. She's gonna get... Wait, I want to see her. She's going... Oh. Play it again. I dare you. I dare you. I think she's scared now. Bro, do you see my body up there? My actual body up there? Bro, do you see the antenna? It's still working. Look. Do you see it? It's still working. So I'm dead and play it again. Play it. No, shit.
Hold on. If I play the stab sound, I'm gone. Unless there's toilets downstairs. Probably not.
She's going to the woman's. And she sees your bear. You run, jump. No! Bro, nah. I grinded for it. They asked if they can have a peppermint for free, because I have 2.
Man, what hell, what?
I gave you a sear because I had 2 and because you're my friend. But ain't no way I'm giving it to a stranger. Unless it's a giveaway and I get, like, lots of views for it, but...
Giving away. Scamming kids in the murder mystery.
Please give me...
Scam someone.
No. I'm not good at that. I literally don't scam.
You said I friended for it, not grinded.
Oh, crap. Grinded.
Grinder.
That's where I'll put her tonight. Guys,
No, not on my channel, not on my... Please. Sheriff!
Bro, I got innocent.
And you have 19% chance.
18.
Oh, 18.
One of us is gonna get murdered next round, 100%. I dare you to play your murder sound. Right now. Oh, that's actually scary. I'll tell you if I see the knife.
I'm just gonna hide in this door. I'm gonna unequip my pet.
Yeah, your pet gives away your spot. That's why she saw you last time.
And she saw my arm.
No, she didn't see you.
Oh no!
Where are you?
I was in the meeting room.
Meeting room.
No,
Yeah, no, I know where it is.
Yeah, the murderer was the one with the faceless white mask. Watch out! Hey, bro, watch your jet!
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Oh my god,
She's actually so dry. This is why she has no friends. Look at her. She's legit camping.
Yep, she's camping the... Okay.
Camper alert.
Nice one.
Watch this. 100 IQ? Nope. Why is she so laggy?
Someone try and get her!
Get the gun.
She's so laggy. Oh.
Never mind.
What is that? How do I go?
What was that? Internet.
My internet's not bad. Oh, let's look at you. Oh, go. Run. Shoot. Look at how slow she is.
Bro, what is this internet? Bro, girl, get better Wi-Fi. You on McDonald's Wi-Fi or something? Bro, I can't shoot her. She's so...
33,000 feet.
Finally. She took as long as Obama's speaking.
Oh my god.
Bro, legit, where your Wi-Fi at? What country you living
I'm
in?
gonna say get better Wi-Fi.
McDonald's Wi-Fi, well deserved. For real though.
Get better Wi-Fi.
Okay, people are dancing on Factory, so let me join them. We're not dancing, I promise.
Oh man, what the hell, boy?
Guess which one is me? I highly doubt you can't get me.
It's the car one. You're probably gonna be murderer.
Bro!
Are you serious? Sheriff 2 times in a row in it.
In it.
Do you know what to play?
Bro sounded British for absolute 1 second. Don't play before because then it's sus. By the way, if you die, just tell me where the gun is. Don't be next to people.
I'm removing the Wi-Fi person.
Put on shift lock, bro.
I'm removing the Wi-Fi person. Take that. Oh.
Go. Put him out of the misery.
Need better Wi-Fi. Need better Wi-Fi. Buy it.
I'm sure you can afford better Wi-Fi.
Oh my god, it's that one. I'm very sus. Get better. What? Who's the murderer?
Don't. I bet you it's this guy over here. There's bacon right here. There's bacon right here. Shoot him.
That's not a bacon.
Whatever, shoot him.
Why?
Because I said so. I bet you it's him.
What is aiming at you?
You know with shift lock you can just aim
I'm
you.
trash.
How?
Awful.
Okay, spectator murderer. Maybe they're not right. All day, all night.
Play some fake sounds.
You can't because you're on lobby.
No, you.
I don't have it.
Oh.
This person's following me. Do I shoot them? No,
Yes.
first when I get 50 coins.
What do you want?
22. This is the person I just
The murderer?
I actually genuinely don't know.
No, where is it?
I can't tell who it is. Oh, so there's a lot of dead bodies out. Oh wait, no, that's yours. My bad. Well, there's a person who's been following me the whole time. I'm shooting them as soon as I get 50 coins. Bet, okay? Watch this.
Just shoot that person. They're very sus. They're following you. Shoot him. Shoot him.
I need 1 coin. Boy! I can see them through walls. Nah, they're taunting me. Time.
Oh! Oh, so close. Oh my god.
I can't hit him. I can't tell who it is.
Golly gosh in it.
I don't know. If that was actually her, bro, she's so toxic. Oh, she starts dancing. Really?
No way. Who was it?
Oh!
It was that person again!
Bro, how does she get like murderer basically every
It's
time?
gotta be one of those YouTubers. It's gotta be the YouTubers with the special stuff.
Bro, straight away assumes. Guys, this girl's too lucky, so I'm saying she's a YouTuber.
No, it's because YouTubers can go like slash murderer and then get murderer.
Yeah, depends if the devs give them it.
Yeah.
They have to be like friends with the dev. 2 murderers be like, because someone does slash murderer. Come on, it's us. It has to be one of us.
It's you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yay.
Come on, play
Oh
some
my-
gun sounds, baby. If I can't find the last person, I'm just gonna kill you and you find everyone else for me.
Okay.
I'm just going straight for the sewers, baby. Where I belong. Wait. I just found the biggest combo ever.
Was that you?
I have a fake gun. You play a fake gun noise. People think I'm the sheriff.
Yes.
Come outside. Come outside. It only lasts for like 10 seconds. 3, 2. Okay.
Right. I'll tell you what. Okay, try and shoot the ball guy, okay?
3,
2, 1,
1.
go. Oh, that was amazing. Perfect. I'm gonna follow this person. They don't even know. Who is the
Play some kill effect sounds. Yes. Also, the gun knows I'm murderer.
Where is the gun? Is it that person?
Nope.
Can you get the gun person?
I gotta just. That's her. What? Oh, you're so dry.
Oh, what the hell? Ew! What the hell? That's the worst one.
Bro's being evil. Okay, one more round and we're done recording, okay?
Yeah.
Don't stuff this up.
I'm just gonna say how gross avatar. Maybe even he.
Bro's being undercover, girl.
Actually,
Bro, why'd you block me? Because of your avatar.
I just caused that person to fall over because their Wi-Fi is so bad.
Bro, what is that laugh? You sound like a character.
So you have a small cough.
How are you innocent?
Man, what hell, boy?
Guys, let's try survive. One of us try be the hero.
I have 16%.
Yeah, I have like 2% because I was already murderer and I lost. Okay, so I see the murderer's right here. Right in front of me. It's a girl right there. Look at my screen. It's a girl right there. She's in this room. She has like right here. Look at my screen. That's her. Run. That's actually her. I saw her kill. Look.
Those reveal sound effects. Those reveal.
Oh, don't go there. She's there. Oh, she's here now. Okay, now she's gonna be camping the gun. Someone's gonna shoot. How are you this bad at the game? Just wipe it. Oh, they got each other. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to
someone in the victory screen.
make sure to subscribe to CartoonedMilk and
yeah.
Scroll Plays. And see you later. Bye.